Here is the most common non-action verbs. In the first list, we have hear, see, smell, taste. Senses, in English, senses are often non-action verbs. So hear, I don't need to move my body at all to hear something. I can hear. It's one of my senses. See, also. See, we need to be a little bit careful with see. When my eyes are open, I see things. This is a natural sense. I can't, without closing my eyes, I can't really start or stop that. It just continues. Smell, taste, different senses. These are all non-action verbs. Like, dislike, hate, love, need, want. These are all feelings. Feelings are also non-action. In the last column, we have believe, know, think, and understand. These are also non-action verbs. Believe, I believe that something is true. These are thoughts in my mind. I know John. Think. This think has the same meaning as believe. I think John is correct. In that situation, it's a non-action verb. If I'm concentrating very hard, I'm putting extra effort into thinking, then we can use think as an action verb. But if think means believe, then it's a non-action verb. Also understand. I understand what John is saying. This is also not an action. So all of these verbs we cannot use in a present continuous sentence. Non-actionの中の一番基本な動詞はこの中ですね。最初は hear, see, smell, taste。これ全部感覚。So, hear。体が動かせなくても聞こえるんですね。see。目が開いていたら何も動かせないでも見えるんですね。それもnon-action の動詞ですね。と smell, taste。次は like, dislike, hate, love, need, want。これ感情。感情もnon-action の動詞ですね。で、最後に believe, know, think, understand。この think の意味は信じる。そう、これは同じですね。I think John is correct. John は正しいと思う。その時はnon-action の動詞ですね。think 一生懸命集中してる時は特別に考えようとする時は thinking を使ってもいいけれども、この believe の時は non-action 動詞なので、現在進行形では使わないですね。and know 知る and understand これは全部現在進行形でを使ってはいけないんですね。And looking at some examples, looking at the first one, I think you are correct. In this case, think means believe. And so think is a non-action verb. So we cannot use it in the present continuous sentence. I am thinking you're correct is wrong. Yes, we can't say that. I think you are correct. And looking at the second example, I'm thirsty. I want water. Want is also a non-action verb, so we want to use it in the present tense, not the present progressive tense, not the present continuous tense. So this is incorrect. I'm wanting water is incorrect. We want to say I want water. Want is not an action. It's not something I'm doing. With the non-action verbs, think, want, we want to use them in the present tense, not the present continuous or present progressive tense. We want to use it in the present tense. The present tense it describes the situation that's continuing. Please watch the third part. In the third part, I'll go into some more detail about non-action verbs.